Thanks for stopping by here, guys. Behind me is a 2022 Forester 3271. Forester in a whole, always going to have the Ford chassis with the Chevy option. Ford chassis, you get the new 7.3 liter gas engine by Ford, massive horsepower, massive torque, essentially a V10 with the fuel economy of a V8 there, guys. Tons of configurations, floor plans. You can delete the bunkhouse over here and do like a low profile cap. You can also get bunk beds, massive storage options on the outside, outdoor storage there, everything that Forester's known wrapped up in the one unit.